So historically, if I wanted to get information, it's in that proprietary file. I'd have to have an API to go through someone's desktop app and then access it. Or I take the proprietary file and hopefully I've got some tools to get into it and do some sort of cool stuff. On the other side, we've got Cloud BIM, which is where the idea of where we're going next is. And in a commercial operation, that's a proprietary database. And they're trying to tell us that, don't worry, you can still access your data because we have open APIs. From analysis, from what I can see, you still have to pay to have access to those APIs, to be able to get information in and out. So and also, if it's on the cloud, you have to pay for transactions with Amazon and whatever. So in its very nature, you're not in control. By going to a data lake, you can run your AI agents directly on your project information. You can have granular data going in and out. I'm not saying that you're not going to be using commercial applications. You'll still be using MicroStation, Revit, BIM, whatever. But the idea is that you can be in control of your information and then start having access to your project data. My favorite little bit here at the bottom is when the Star Trek guys were in real trouble and they had to rebuild something for the spaceship thing. And Scotty is at the engineering works trying to get this thing detailed. So they give him a computer, he tries to talk to it, it doesn't work. So they hand him a mouse, he thinks it's a microphone, so he starts talking to the computer about getting this, building this trilithium, blah, blah, blah. That's transparent aluminum, yes. Obviously, it was a Macintosh, but it wasn't a very advanced one. So it's possible, it will be possible for you to host your data internally and manage your information. And when you want to share your information, you should be able to select the components that you want to share. Or you can still use a commercial cloud application, but you're in control and you always have the original copy. But you're sharing whatever is necessary for that project. This is already happening in many firms that I talk to. They're already looking at building their own databases of their own information, and then the promise of AI agents, it's really amazing.